Today we're diving deep into Uniplaces, one of the more talked about platforms for booking student housing abroad. Whether you're relocating for studies, internships, or remote work, Uniplaces advertises itself as a safe, efficient way to find mid to long-term accommodation without the need for in-person visits. But is that really the case? Upon landing on their homepage, you're greeted with a clean interface and a search bar that lets you filter cities, move-in dates, and duration. It's clearly tailored to students and young professionals. I searched for apartments in Lisbon and noticed that while listings are verified, the price range varies drastically. Some listings are inclusive of bills, while others aren't, and this is not always made clear upfront. Navigating to the listing pages, I appreciated the large gallery of images and the floor plans. Each property includes details like availability, rules, such as smoking or pet policies, and landlord response time. However, I also noticed that reviews of some landlords are missing entirely. It's risky to book a place without any tenant feedback, especially for international students. The booking process involves sending a request to the landlord, which can take up to 48 hours for confirmation. You also have to pay Uniplaces a one-time service fee, which in many cases is non-refundable even if the landlord declines. This feels like a significant downside compared to platforms that only charge once a booking is confirmed. Uniplaces does offer a 24-hour guarantee, meaning if the property doesn't match the description upon arrival, you can report it within a day to get a refund. While that sounds good in theory, the effectiveness of this policy depends heavily on response time and documentation, which some users report as being inconsistent. There was a time I got stuck between layovers with no hotel and no internet. That's when I first tried Trip.com, and now I carry it with me like a first aid kit. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. The customer support experience on Uniplaces was a mix. I reached out with a few test questions, and responses varied, sometimes instant, sometimes taking over a day. That's something to consider if you need urgent help while abroad. Another thing worth pointing out is the contract transparency. In some cases, users reported issues with landlords after moving in, especially around deposit returns or contract changes. While Uniplaces claims to intervene when disputes arise, the lack of legal power means outcomes vary. Uniplaces can be a solid choice if you find a well-reviewed, verified listing with clear terms. But you must read everything carefully and ideally message the landlord with specific questions before booking. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and certainly not without its flaws. Thanks for watching my full review of Uniplaces. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this one.